Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Okay, let's start with your reading from 29th of March till 4th of April 2021. Though timeless readings, confirm so misconnections. I do go live on Insta, okay, and if you like it, these readings and everything, do the subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Definitely subscribe it if you like it. It's all free. Okay. I heard the word like horn, HORN. Something is trying to give you a signal or alert you of something. It's also, I'm hearing someone is overprotective of you. There's also the word coming as someone who is more faithful to you, you to the person to the you, person to you. Okay, there is something that is coming as a horn. Okay, we're going to start something with this first. They want to hear from you, Virgos. Someone over here is interested in hearing from you in this time frame, most probably. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Six of Swords energy. There is some kind of movement. Maybe there's an Aries. Maybe this is someone of like work position or something. You might be writing, you might be shifting, you might be removing yourself from certain energy, certain place here. This is something that you are not exactly closing the chapter, but this is about something that you are freezing the time here for some time. This may be memory, this may be something. Okay, the contact, this may be a no contact situation. You're going in a little bit. Okay, but with the Six of Swords, I do feel like in this time frame, I'll be back. Okay, I'll be a little loud, okay? There are some announcements going outside, but with the Six of Swords energy, let's get back on track. I feel like there might be changes, of course, because I'm picking the highest vibes of these 7 days here, but may go vice versa, or timeless. But I feel like these 6 days, possible change is going to come. It may happen around 6th April also for some of you, okay? Though this is till 4th, okay? But it doesn't matter. Time is all illusion. It's Maya's flowing, okay? There's going to be some kind of trip that you are taking. This may be someone who does want to, I'm telling you there's a horn, so possible this is someone who is saying talk to me, or maybe you are supposed to talk to this person. Maybe they live afar, maybe communication you're going to hear, maybe a call is coming from someone from far, but there's also someone who might be interested in meeting you. Okay, it's also some situation that you are trying to get in control. Yeah, it's a Six of Cups energy. I was about to say resurgence, sorry. There's a reunion. I feel like this is someone you really adore. You really have that affection. This may be someone maybe you're traveling to your home, to your family here. Now home, family, maybe to your parents. If this is the situation, yeah, it may go that way. But there might be an Aries who does want to talk to you here. If not, this is about something that you're talking about, some position or some work situation here. I feel like this has more to do with the horn. They're calling you, maybe leaving messages. Maybe this is your energy, but I feel like both of you end up talking, both of you end up traveling together. You're going to meet, maybe you're fixing one scenario. Maybe this is about the place you used to meet. It's like the energy of like hello, like kind of the song. Okay, I just heard that hello, someone is calling you and giving you the horn. It is definitely because this is Six of Cups energy, it's a resurgence. It's something that someone or something or some situation you need to make peace with. Okay, I wanted to start with this my customized deck here, but then it ended up here. So there may be King of Cups energy. This is a karmic connection also for some of you. You know this person, obviously. They're connected with you somehow. Memories connected with this person. Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, or maybe you just want to complete something with this person in order to make a move, but I feel like some kind of apology coming, or maybe something is giving you a horn. Horn is also alert, alarm. Knight of Cups energy. Okay, oh, we're going to see that there's a loving relationship with someone already you are in, or maybe there's a travel. I'm seeing like you pushing away something, you're freezing something. Maybe it is this relationship, something you don't have that. You're just possible out of sympathy somewhere, or you just don't hold something anymore. I don't know what's wrong with you. Judgment, you're just completing something here. For me, judgment is a callback. So this may be something that is actually coming or giving chance to the relationship, or someone does want to ask you, someone does want to settle things with you, or you want to do the same. This may be you're hearing from someone. That's a horn. Okay, kind of like announcement or something. A positive change, or no positive change in some situation coming up. It's a call. This may be a call from work, Five of Pentacles, or maybe this is the call from that person. I'm telling you that. This is, for some cases, this may be someone you really love. The Six of Cups energy is the love that you hold for someone. Maybe they live far. And this judgment with this person is about giving chances to one another. Maybe you have a long distance relationship here, and also long term for many of you. But there's distance. I don't know who this person is. If this is someone else also in the picture, they live far. Okay? Somehow, somewhere you want to be free. With the Lovers, there may be a choice. Okay, the Sun. There may be a Leo in the picture. There is something that you are settling. Five of Wands energy. There's a disagreement with certain someone here. And this may be the judgment. Like, just let's not judge, let's settle things, okay? But I feel like you don't have sympathy for something anymore, and you want this highest growth for yourself. Okay? In the future, it is coming. You're settling, you're passing no more judgments here, you're removing yourself, you are going to have this last time horn kind of situation, settling things with the person. I'm saying that. You may have a child with this person, okay? Okay, so let's see. Yeah. This is conversation. I feel like you are ending certain kind of conversation with certain someone. You're no longer happy with someone here, and they are startled with the fact that you're making certain decision here for your growth. The Sun is about ultimatums. The Sun is about growth as well. It's a very positive card. So this is something of like you are making plans for better future here, okay? Making right decisions here. It's also conversation that is not happy anymore, but you need to make it, but it is like you can't understand the situation now at all. You're not cheerful here, whatever you are doing, okay? There's so many. Let's take this. Okay, so wedding. Some of you, yeah, this is about wedding. This is about child. This is about marriage. This is about karmic connection here, okay? Six of Cups. It's something connected already with memories, old relationship of long term here, wedding, okay? Some of you are making decision of moving away, and there's someone in the picture, I'm telling you. Yeah. Lover. There is someone in the picture. This person is not this one you are already with. If you're single and you're just involved or thinking about moving with someone, or you're dealing and you're not married, then that's a different concept. Apply that. If this is someone, but there is someone in the picture, lover. Okay? And maybe you are in with someone and you're having conversation, but you're settling things. It's like something is over and there's no more place for any sort of conversation here. It's a move on energy. Moving away, moving on, making right judgments, and, you know, bringing peace to both of you. So there's a lover in the picture. And there's also the Lord. Maybe you're with someone, okay? And you feel present with them, okay? Somehow. There's this third last card here. This time frame is about, for many of you, it's like you hardly communicate with this person as well. You don't converse so much with them, okay? Do they care? So you have this question, do they even care? We have no communication. It's like a horn. It's also alarm. It's also alert for some cases. It's about something that now is the time. It's about the announcement. The judgment is about the right time. This is the right time to make right choices for us. The Crows. For me, it is about The conversation that goes, messages or conversation, the real-time conversation with the person. You may hear messages from someone also. There's the crows, but messenger is coming here. But I feel like this is also something connected with, it's always the argument. So there are horns, and this makes you so pathetic at time, because then you have this question of, do they care? It's like a crowy connection. Crows are very good. You know, they bring messages, they bring messages from other realms. So maybe something is coming as a horn and alarm, and continuously something is synchronizing with your situation. And you know that. Like it's time. It's time to free. It's time to have birth of something for your own self. Make the decision and move. That kind of energy is coming. Okay? Sudden contact is coming. So messenger, maybe something is coming in contact that will lit you up here. Something will lit you up. Okay? There's an escapist. Who is the escapist? You or the person? Because do they care? When the care is in demand, they like escape from showing or expressing something, okay? And there is something that you really need the most. There's also my sun, own drawn sun here. And you have the sun card here. Look at that. It's a double confirmation of something. Like, you know this is the sign. Someone is escaping. I have to make a decision here. Some of you are doing it. It's not of a more communication, okay? Like, something is in diary, so it's not out. Or something is in your diary here. Okay, you're writing something and you just don't want to disclose it, because it's kind of energy that you feel that they are escapists. This is the time to make the decision here. Look, watching you. But the person you are with, karmically possible, they're watching you, watching your steps or whatever it is. And that's why maybe they are feeling that you are an escapist. Maybe they know that you are having communication, and maybe they are watching you and they might be feeling that, do you care? It can go vice versa. There might be the moon, there might be a Piscean around you. Exactly. This is something that is an illusion, or you might be in a relationship which is someone is escaping and you feel that this is full, which is not. Someone is hiding here something, you from the person, or they from you. They will ask. Someone will ask about your feelings here soon. So it's about the horn. It's time. Like, it's a time to call. It's time to move. It's time to seclude. It's time to have the judgment call. It's time to free each other as well. Yeah, this may be wedding. This is something that you hardly have, but they will ask. Now, this is the high time they will ask. It's in diary. Like, someone is writing things, maybe literally in diary or journal, or maybe literally in heart and in mind. It's there. And there's going to be, they will ask about emotions, they will ask about the truth, they will ask about to clear me the stuff, where we stand, where we are, because this is something karmic, of course. It's also something that is bubbling inside and it's going to be out and about, okay? There's also argument, I see, okay? But contact is coming. So now the contact may be that you're going to end up hearing. I talked about that, a call or something you might hear out from them. There's a contact, someone you are making a contact, they are making a contact with you. They will ask about some feelings with you. If there's a third party in the situation, because someone you want to be union with, like you smile when you are with this person, most probably. The connection that you are covering here, you have those questions of like, am I escaping from this? Am I the escapist? Or I need to escape from all of the situation because I'm seeing that, I'm watching it, okay? So there's a contact. So here you go, you need to, either you're contacting someone for separation or something here. I do feel wedding, judgment and all that stuff, though there is no Three of Swords. It doesn't matter, because what I see here is something that you want to unite with someone here. Maybe you are going to contact this person, or you're going to talk here, which you usually don't do so much here, because it's always in illusion. It's always something is in dark, the other side, and no one knows about. Do they care? It's an escapist. What is happening? Someone is watching someone. With the contact, it's ultimately finalization of talking things out, whether you are at distance, because there's Six of Swords, long distance relationship as well, or connection here, okay? Maybe people are going to ask about what is the solution to our this connection or long distance relationship if you're not married, okay? Ultimately, people are getting free. Ultimately, people are getting to solutions here. The Sun card is that call, okay? This is about your shiny decision. This is the horn you are having. Horn is for Six of Swords, to make a move, to take the decision, whatever and wherever it takes you. But it's going to be better than stuck. I hope it's going to help you guys. Take care. I love you. And see you soon.